Today, I'm going to show you how to make templates adapt based on the value the user has selected. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up conditional logic using if-then-else clauses and matching rules, so your templates automatically adapt to different situations. Here you can see the initial block of text, and you'll notice it already contains the variable we want to use in our macro. Our goal is to generate a different sentence depending on whether the selected determination option includes the word upheld. We can double-click the variable to see its properties, and notice upheld is one of the list variable options. Now we type in and select the text we want to display if upheld is selected. We then right-click, select Flow, If. Notice the text we selected is already completed. We want the text we inserted in then to be displayed when the determination variable equals upheld. So we specify the variable in expression A. To choose the variable to insert, right-click, choose Variables, Browse, and select the variable. Now we specify our conditions this variable must meet. By default, the condition will be set to equals. In this instance, we change it to contains. Now we specify the text we wish to match, in this case, upheld. You can optionally enter a label field to more easily identify your if clauses. We keep display in line checked to display everything on the same line. We would uncheck it to better format the template when we have larger blocks of text in the then or else clause. And here we see the if clause complete with label all on one line. And we can click Test to test our template. Here we can see the template inserts the specified text if upheld is selected. Now we can click Send Text to send text to our application, which in this case is our test pad. We can output different text when the if clause is false. We just double click on the macro and enter the text into the else text box. So now we have if determination contains upheld, then display this text, or else display this text. Notice we could also specify whether the matching is case sensitive. So let's see what we created. The if macro will output specific text when upheld is selected and display alternative text if not. Next, we will show what can be achieved if we have multiple conditions. If gender is female and age is 65 or higher, the condition is met. If we change the age to less than 65 or the gender to male, the condition is not met. So let's see how we created that. Notice we have three variables: gender, age, and osteoporosis. As we can see, osteoporosis is a list variable with these three predefined items. We'll see these in action later. Double-click on the if macro to open its design window. Here we can see we have two conditions linked to the gender and age variables. Notice Match All Conditions has been checked. So we can see if gender equals female and age is equal to or greater than 65, then execute the osteoporosis list variable we looked at earlier. So now we understand what's under the hood, let's see the template running again. Here you can see the condition is met and the osteoporosis variable is executed, displaying additional fields in the input form. Otherwise, the osteoporosis variable is hidden.